Today, I am reviewing ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACDNG 26.5-inch QD-OLED Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming monitor that delivers blazing fast performance, vibrant colors, and advanced longevity features, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACDNG 26.5-inch QD-OLED monitor is a game-changer. This monitor is specifically designed for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand a combination of speed, color accuracy, and cutting-edge technology in their displays. First, let's talk about the display itself. With a 26.5-inch QHD panel delivering a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, this monitor strikes a perfect balance between visual clarity and high refresh rate performance. Unlike standard panels, the QD-OLED technology combines the deep, rich blacks of OLED with a vibrant, wide color range of quantum dots. This means that every game, video, or graphic you view is bursting with color, yet maintains stunning contrast and clarity. You're getting 99% DCI, P3 coverage, true 10-bit color depth, and a delta E of less than 2, so professionals in photo and video editing will appreciate the precision this monitor offers. Now, let's dive into speed, which is critical for gaming. The XG27ACDNG supports a mind-blowing 360 Hz refresh rate and a 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. This combination ensures absolutely smooth motion, minimal ghosting, and lightning-fast reactions in fast-paced games like first-person shooters, racing, and competitive esports titles. When paired with NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, you can forget about screen tearing, stuttering, or lag, providing a truly immersive gaming experience. One of the most impressive features of this monitor is its cooling and longevity technology. ASUS has equipped the XG27ACDNG with a highly efficient custom heatsink and advanced airflow design. This keeps the QD-OLED panel operating at optimal temperatures even during extended gaming sessions. In addition, ASUS OLED Care Plus reduces the risk of burn-in and includes OLED anti-flicker technology, ensuring that your monitor not only performs exceptionally, but also lasts longer. The DisplayWidget Center software makes it easy to manage these settings, giving you complete control over brightness, refresh rates, and panel care functions with just a mouse click. Brightness and HDR performance are also top-notch. The monitor is VISA Display HDR 400 True Black certified, offering a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Coupled with OLED's natural contrast and deep blacks, HDR content looks cinematic and realistic. Every scene is sharp, detailed, and packed with dynamic colors, which elevates both gaming and media consumption experiences. Connectivity is another area where the XG27ACDNG shines. With multiple HDMI ports, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C, you can easily connect to multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, and even tablets. This flexibility makes it a versatile hub for both gaming and professional setups. Finally, ASUS backs this monitor with a 3-year warranty, giving you confidence that this investment is built to last. With ergonomic design, matte anti-glare finish, and a flat panel, it integrates seamlessly into any gaming or workspace environment while keeping eye strain minimal. In summary, the ASUS ROG Strix 26.5-inch QD-OLED XG27ACDNG is not just another gaming monitor. It's a high-performance, color-accurate, future-proof display designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who want smooth visuals, rapid response, and long-lasting OLED quality. From its 360 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds response time to its custom heatsink and OLED Care Plus protection, this monitor redefines what you can expect from a premium gaming display. Whether you're playing competitive esports, editing 4K videos, or simply enjoying HDR movies, the XG27ACDNG delivers exceptional performance, precision, and visual immersion that truly sets it apart in 2025. If you're serious about your gaming and content creation setup, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACDNG is a monitor you'll rely on every day, offering cutting-edge OLED technology, high refresh rates, and vivid colors that make every frame count.